What's good, Moguls fam? And I am back with another banging banger. So, what's good, guys? What's good? I hope ni-right, I hope ni-grandy. So, namhlanje into ezokwenzeka ukuthi sike sathola another request again from Unjabulo Ncam. Shout out to Unjabulo. Shout out. For ukurequesta ividiyo mayelana nokuthi ukwazi kanjani ukuvula i-real account and ekuyivuleni i-real account yakho ukwazi kanjani ukuyi-add-a to MT5. So that's why ungibona ngila ku-browse ke siwusebenzisela ekutheni ngikwazi ukuthi ngiregister. So guys, personally ngisafuna ukuthi ngiyibekele. Personally mina ngisebenzisa u-FBS. So FBS I've been with it for the longest manje and it's very good. I'm talking from experience yami. From experience yami is very good when it comes to ama-fundamental. Very good ama-fundamentals. And ama-technicals uyakwazi ukwenza but ama-fundamental they are very nice. So if ever now you are interested in joining FBS, ngizoshiya i-link la ku-description and wisha kwami i-link uzokwazi ukuthi uthole at least ama-promotions because ama-promotions azokusiza ukuthi the moment u-deposit uzokwazi ukuthola some sort of like i-discount ukuthi mhlambe ukwazi ukuthi u-trade. So into engizoyenza manje ukuthi ngizotypa mina ukuthi FBS, angazi noma bazobuza yini ilo ama-logins but ke iyona-ke i-page le. So and then what do you do? And then you open an account. So ngoba mina already vele nginayo i-account nabo, so I can't register again, yabo, nginayo i-account yabo. Okwakho ukufaka i-email laphaya, ufake ne-full name, uklikhe ukuthi register. So let me try to log in. Sengilogile-ke ini. This is my account right now. Kwi-real account ngigcine ngishiye about $10. $10. So then obviously into yenzayo ukuthi obviously ayiveli kanje la because ngalesi sikhathi uregister izokufuna le information ekufunayo then automatically uyazithola i-demo, bakunikeza i-demo. But mawukuthi usuqedile ukuthola i-demo, you are actually able to add i-real account also on that. Into ebalulekile-ke la ukuthi uthole le information le. I'm just gonna show you now. So guys, into ebalulekile la, it's actually having to get le information which is i-login yakho from MT5. Iyona nto ebalulekile le for you to get ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise ngale ku-MT5. As you can see ukuthi it's MT5 la phezulu. So let's actually go now to u-MT5. Make sure ukuthi mawutypa laphaya utypa u-FBS lo as a company because uzowudinga ngale. So guys, this is actually my MT5 yami le. Already vele nginayo i-account yabo as I have mentioned ekuqaleni. So into yenzayo ukuthi ku-MT5 wakho you click lama codes lawa, lama dots lawa 3 lapha phezulu. click on, you click that, then emva kwaloko you go to managing account. So izoshintsha ke, so into yenzayo ukuthi you make sure that ukhumbula leya nkampani ebengithe uyinaka igama lenkampani leliya ekuqaleni ulibhale-ke, because vele mina vele nje kade ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi already nginabo yabo, so information vele ikhona. So you just type le gama lenkampani FBS Markets, vele-ke lana-ke wenze sure ukuthi kuba exactly njengalaphaya yabo, ngoba o-FBS bahlukahlukene, but you need to type lo osuke wena unikezwe wona, so iwona lo which is u-Inc. And then mase beyakubuza ama-login-ke let's go back. Ama-login-ke, it's those logins that I was talking about. This one iwona lawo abawafunayo ngale ku-MT5, and i-password uyazakhela, uyibhala wena, uzenzela wena. Mina the reason why it's generating you, it's because vele ekuqaleni bekade ngizenzelile. So each and every now and then u-FBS tends to, or if ever suyikhohliwe, ugenerator i-password entsha. So loko it's not a big deal. So njengoba ubona leli side leli elibhalwe leli side lento le engathi amalona awu-2, loko kusuke kuchaza ukuthi i-copy, you just copy it, then emva kwaloko you go back to MT5, then emva kwaloko you click isikhathi eside and paste. I-password njengoba ngale izobe ivelile, nakhona you do the same thing and then you paste. Mase uqedile, make sure i-server yakho u-real account, because there are only two serve, it's whether wenza i-demo wenza i-real, then make sure ukuthi it's a real account. Then i-password uyisavele la bhokisi and then you log in, then you just press what, log in. Then mase ulogile-ke in izobe isivela kanje, izobe nje ilona yakho isivela kanje, usukwazi ukuthi ubone njengoba ubona nje la kumina ukuthi it's a real account yabo, it's a real account esivela nje kanje, suyazi ukuthi hayi so-right, you have a real account, you are able to trade now. Then mawufuna ukufaka i-order, uyaliplace i-order, yonke into-ke isuke isi-right-ke mayisikanje, ungayinaki-ke lezi ezinye izinto. Then-ke nawa ama-currency akho lawa, yabo ama-currency akho uyakwazi futhi ukuwashintshanisa-ke, whether-ke JPY yabo noma i-pound yabo, whichever way. So isuke si-right-ke mayisikanje. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope niya-understand. If ever mawukuthi khona la unga-understandanga khona, akunankinga, you can actually drop a comment and subscribe to the channel mawukuthi khona la unga-understand khona. If anything futhi mhlampe nayi-understand and that, so subscribe, like, comment down below ukuthi what do you like to know.